call me, yo, you make me talk all foolish, and I'll call you Lana Star.
Alfred, are me a call Lana? Hold on. Alfred!
Yeah, man, I have to branch.
A king man and who that? Oh,
Great numbers.
King man,
Wow. Anyway.
Sir Wallace.
Boy, it's been a while.
It's been a while. Big
So
up
me
yourself.
say I'll turn farmer.
Yes, this is my like a sanctuary now, you know? Yeah, man, this is it.
Interesting, very interesting.
Yeah, man.
Impressive too.
Yes, So, man and man.
Yeah.
Well, King man, you know, so I expect to see you because you circle every now and then, but Sir Wallace, never expect to see you at all, sir. What you do? You patronize the farm?
Well, we can do that, yes. Because I hear them, I see them, and me love pork. Most can't believe say you as a Rasta man are raise pork. Pig. Hog. Numbers. What really are going?
Well, it's all about the numbers. You know what I mean? And from the numbers make sense, you don't know where to work with it. I don't have to consume it for earn from it. So that is what really I go on now. You know what I mean? And once you run a farm, you know what I mean, ground provision and livestock, you have to indulge in all these things, you know?
True.
Yes, man.
But to answer your question, I'm really there because Kingman make me know say the iguana them are you catch them. So me just come for show your appreciation and tell you thanks.
And I personally like the fact that you are helping to extend and preserve their natural habitat, if you know what I mean.
I know exactly what I mean, man. But I want to tell you something. You nearly never get them 4 iguana there, you know?
Really?
This what happened.
Well, there was a little incident with my empress and the 4 iguana them. But tell you what.
I tell her no, you know.
So baby, sure you never just want to take a chance and do it. And money that, you know.
No. Because you see, if I do it at the time where she want me to do it, I never come out good. And I mean, same one, them going to want to blame. You know, upon that.
You know, say you're a friend. And I support your business, you know.
I think Impulse is my friend. But when time she give out any catering job, she get other people. And when them not do it good, I mean, same one she want to call for it. Can't work.
Well, the people that are all over more while still, you know. You know what I mean? But here what you have to do. You have to just make sure so your thing stay proper all the while. You give the right kind of service because you know what? Them always have to come to you. Just go and do the right thing.
Exactly, that's my plan for them. And nobody not gonna draw me out for do things in a XYZ time. And then when it not do good, I mean, I might think that my normal when time I go out there, you know. And Dimples know that. I know.
And not Dimples alone know that. I know that. No say you're ungood, man.
You born man, you don't speak more people.
You know my style already, you know. I'm with you. One second. Yeah? Yeah, lad. I forward down that side there tomorrow. Yeah, man. Over yourself, man. You ever see my man? I don't know mustering thing, man. Just hear me say, no, man. So you ever see me? What time you reach? Alright. Yeah, so you go out there.
Well, I'm not thinking I get out of Annie now.
Omega! Lana, may sumukal ya ba? Yo, awan! Awan!
Listen, some big one.
Omega, you going in a storeroom? You see one of them? Some of them they know.
Christ.
What them there?
Them get wet.
Them know.
We don't know where them there. Them all over the...
Omega, where is that them gone?
Some go, so them gone all over the place. Yeah, but don't look.
That go on.
Nah, man. What you really say?